Sometimes, you may have set a profile photo in WhatsApp, but here's the thing: normally, when you're setting up your profile photo, everyone can see it. But if you'd like only people in your contacts to see your profile photo, you can do that. This way, others can't see your profile photo. In this video, we'll be telling you how to set this up in WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, up above, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you click on them, you'll see an option called Settings. Click on Settings. When you click on that, you'll see an option called Privacy. Click on Privacy. When you click on that, you'll see an option for Profile Photo. Click on Profile Photo. Sometimes, it'll be set to everyone, which means everyone can see your profile photo. If you don't want that and you'd like only people in your contacts to see your profile photo, you need to select My Contacts. After that, only people in your contacts can see your profile photo. And another thing, sometimes, from your contacts, you may want to hide it from someone. In that case, select My Contacts Accept. When you click on that, you'll reach your contacts. From there, select the contact you want to hide your profile photo from. For example, I've selected this contact. After that, click on the check button. After that, everyone in your contacts except this person can see your profile photo. So, this way in WhatsApp, you can set your profile photo visibility to your contacts only. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.